Welcome my dear friends. This video presentation, this will be very exciting. On passive, it's coming to 1 million. On passive, beyond imagination. We'll explore many things about on passive. On passive, inspiring the minds of millions. In it to win it, AI technology. Current total founders 9,74,000. Will be crossing 1 million mark soon. Every day 2,500 to 3,000 people are joining all over the globe. Worldwide founders from all social strata, my dear friend. Now, why people are inspired to join on passive as founder? On because of its vision and mission to uplift humanity, to make high-tech digital products affordable to common people. My dear friend, the digital products available in the market are having very high price, and you just see what value you are getting out of those products. On passive, it will have lowest price in the market with high value. My dear friend, on passive, it has adopted the most advanced AI and ML technology, artificial intelligence and machine learning technology. AI is trending and AI is the future, my dear friend. On passive, it's clean and transparent company. It is having high degree of integrity. It's having high value system. It's a high ethical company having high ethics. My dear friend, on passive is beyond imagination. It has built for masses to uplift humanity. Founder position for common people. First time in history. It has already created history, my dear friend. People from all social strata, top doctors, engineers, IT professionals, teachers, professors, students, management professionals, lawyer, housewives, even worker, housemates, blind people, handicapped people, transgender people, underprivileged people, they are in our founders community. My dear friend, it's beyond imagination. Founders are 1 in 8,000 people in the world. My dear friend, 1 million founders versus 8 billion population in the world. So you are already placed very high. The value of founders will get from on passive is beyond imagination. Some people are able to evaluate, some people are not able to evaluate. So please evaluate what value you will be getting, my dear friend. I'll just tell about the technology used in artificial intelligence, which is adapted by on passive. Taxonomy of AI, classification. My dear friend, artificial intelligence is a branch of computer science, top branch of computer science, my dear friend. AI is a subset of CS. If you see the Venn diagram, machine learning is a subset of AI. Machine learning, basically machine learn from the data. It analyzes data and it develops its model through algorithm. My dear friend, most advanced technology. Deep learning is a subset of machine learning. It is much more advanced. Data science contributes to some aspect of artificial intelligence. My dear friend, in our tech teams, we are having computer science, artificial intelligence, machine learning specialist, as well as data scientist. And they have developed this digital products, most advanced digital products. It will be launching soon. In October, there are many product launches. If you want to know the features, you can go through www.onpassive.com. You will get the product features. My dear friend, OnPassive specialized in artificial intelligence and machine learning. OnPassive is a mega IT project having 50 plus digital products. My dear friend, if you observe this curve, it is beyond imagination. Founder, they are placed so high in this innovation adoption life cycle. My dear friend, any technology, initially people they don't accept it. If you see this curve is developed by famous researchers Rogers. It is a famous model adopted by business houses, industries. If you see, there are two curves. One is blue curve, that is the adoption life cycle curve, and it is divided into 5 categories. Innovators 2.5% of the population, early adopters 13.5%, early majority 34%, late majority 34%, and laggards. Initially, the innovators joined this adoption life cycle curve. My dear friend, as a founders count is 1 million. And if you see the global internet users, 4.7 billion. So founder is 0.0213%, my dear friend. So by default, all the founders, we are placed in very, very high position. My dear friend, this founder position, it is available till public launch, or the number will be decided by the company. My dear friend, this is going to be closed very soon. My dear friends, after that, through revolutionary business models, you can join as affiliate marketers or customers. Customers will join throughout the life cycle. My dear friend, artificial intelligence 2030, 2040, 2050, you will see the growth, my dear friend. And you will see the growth of OnPassive beyond imagination. First year target is 100 million customers, that is 2.13% of the global internet users. Year after year, this target will increase, and OnPassive will penetrate into the market, my dear friend, with 50 plus digital products, even more. Thanks, my dear friend. That's all in this video. Thanks a lot for active watching.